Welcome to New Stuff TV, the untechnical tech channel. You know, a lot of people think because I have nice things that cost a lot of money that I must be good with money. I must be responsible. I must invest it well. No, I just buy a lot of stuff and I'm very irresponsible with my money because I buy shit like this. No, man, I actually am pretty responsible with my money. I just want to make y'all laugh. But yeah, man, this is the Boombox 3. It is finally here. It has been long awaited. Like JBL has taken their sweet time on this thing and it is what it is. It's here today. I just unboxed it. So this is just a first look kind of thing. It's not a review. I don't do reviews anyways. We're just gonna sit here, talk about it and, do a couple of samples or whatever. My first impressions, I like it. I like it a lot. I do think I hear a little bit of static sometimes. I don't know if it's just me, like, I gotta figure this out, man, but I think I hear a little bit of staticky distortion in some parts of songs. I don't know if it's actually the song or something up with the speaker. I have no idea, but I guess we'll figure that out as time goes on. But my overall impression of it is, wow, the bass and the clarity, okay? The first thing I noticed standing in front of it from the human side of things, because you got microphones, coming at you. So to be honest with you, you'll never really hear this thing unless you actually hear it in person. These microphones are not gonna do you any justice. Like, you just gonna have to use your imagination. But standing in front of it from the human perspective, you get a lot of clarity. That's because this time around, instead of doing 2 dynamic drivers and 2 tweeters and then these passive radiators, they have done a full speaker system, which is, you got this, it's like a 3-way system. They've got 2 dynamic drivers with tweeters on top of them and a dedicated racetrack style subwoofer in the middle. And of course, they still got the passive radiators right there. So this is a speaker system, like for real, for real. And that's why I feel like this would be, I said it in one of my last videos, I feel like this would be the first speaker that I would be willing to pay $500 for, because that's the retail cost, because I feel like they just did more. I just felt like, 2 dynamic drivers, a battery, and whatever. It just wasn't worth $500 for any of these, the Sonys, the Logitech or the JBL. I just felt like they were all overpriced. But this one, I feel like you're getting $500 worth of stuff here, man. You got full waterproofing, full dust proofing, and it floats. I think I'll have to test that out at the pool when I get home. For those of y'all that don't know, this is not my house. This is my studio. This came to my studio and I haven't even been able to compare it to the Boombox 2 yet, which I will do in a later video, maybe in a couple of days. I just wanted to unbox it for you guys and do some quick samples here at the studio. But yeah, man, I feel like you're getting $500 worth of stuff here, man. You got this battery technology that lasts, oh man, I don't know the specs on this thing, but I'm thinking about 24 hours or something like that. And you got the full speaker system here. And JBL puts out great sound, okay? Now, I've compared JBL speakers to a lot of other ones, like less costing speakers such as the Soundcores. And I'm not saying Soundcore speakers are better. I'm not saying cheaper speakers are better. I'm not saying either one of them is actually better. What I'm saying is JBL puts out a terrific sounding speaker. I just don't feel like they're always worth the money. But in this case, I don't know, man. I think I'm getting it. I think I'm getting it, man. I think I'm getting it. So, yeah, let's just do a couple of samples, man. And all you JBL fanboys, I love JBL speakers, like their headphones and stuff, but I don't like you people. You people suck all the fun out of this stuff, man. You really do. You JBL fanboys, I can't stand y'all's asses. But you're here watching the video. I'm sure I'm going to hear from you in the comments. But man, y'all are some freaking fun vampires. Anyways, let's get into some songs here, man. Let's go into my little library here, and let's play this Pablo. Let's play Pablo. Is it Pablo? Yeah. Let's put it here. Damn. That bass. All right now. and a champagne toast. I like this one. Now, I said from the human perspective earlier, where I was standing in front of it, you get all the clarity and you get a lot of bass there and thump. But over on the sides of this thing, around it, like 45 degrees out and to the side, oh my God. I gotta go test that out in a second. Let me hear it. Oh yeah. Let me see. God. Yeah, man. The way this thing is just bouncing off the walls, I'm actually, I think it's this trophy right here. You can't even see it. It's like a little trophy and shelf on the wall. It's vibrating. Let's try bad guy. Oh man. That is some low bass. It's projecting some really low bass. Oh man, let's get into this is one of my good ones right here. Sun Kissed. It's Quiero. No, it's not Quiero. It's El Dorado and Habanas. Yeah. I like these beats. Nasty. All that bass. Man, I hope the neighbors in the next office don't tell me to turn this down, man. Let me see. Woo! All right, man. So the kind of bass, man, this thing is so low when it comes to those bass notes, man. Full speaker system, the clarity is there. I'm really glad they decided to separate the mid-range, the dynamic drivers from the tweeters, and you have two there, a dynamic driver and tweeters. And they have a dedicated subwoofer. I'm so glad they did that because the clarity is there. I haven't even touched the EQ, man. Look, let's get into this. Where's the EQ? Where's the EQ? Well, I had it open. Let's go into my JBL app here. Let's get it connected again. I haven't touched the EQ. You still got all the same stuff, man, as far as app connectivity. As soon as it loads up, there you go. JBL Boombox 3 sitting right there. Why does it look like that? Why is it being covered up? I don't know. Anyways, you see the EQ is flat. You can add some more bass if you want to. I don't think you really should. I think you should just leave it alone, man. You got the software says it's current, it's up to date, and of course you can party boost, but JBL really doesn't give you much more than that as far as an app experience. And I don't really think you need anything. It comes sounding great right out of the box, but I just wanted to show you that you do still have all this stuff. But the bass, those bass notes that it drops, it's like, it almost kind of gives you a headache. It's not like super loud, but it's so low. You gotta be here to understand what I'm talking about, man. It's like in the entire room, it's like, where is it coming from? It's like a monster, in the back. Like, where's that monster coming from? Oh man. But anyways, like I said, man, this is not, a full scale, video on this thing. I just wanted to unbox it, hang out with you guys for a few minutes and, show you what was up, man. It's actually available. Not every retailer has it. I actually got this thing from B&H Photo. I ordered it. Sweetwater doesn't have it yet. I don't think it's on Amazon. I don't even think JBL has it on their website yet. But it is available at B&H Photo, man. That's where I got mine from. This is the Boombox 3. And we're just gonna ride out to this song called Match My Vibe. Damn. There's that static again. I think it's the song, because I only hear it on this song. That thing's right on again. I'm no expert in this kind of stuff, but what I do know is If it jams, turn that shit up.